Hello. Okay, welcome to class today. So now we're going to go into indices proper. We're going to break down indices. I want you to listen and listen attentively. You know all the powers of the numbers from 1 to 10. Now it's time for us to go. Now, the laws of indices. You need to note the laws of indices for you to be able to solve questions concerning indices in the best possible way. Now we'll start with the first law that is known as the multiplication law. So mathematicians call it the multiplication law. You can as well call it the addition law, but me, I call it the multiplication stroke addition law. You know why? You need those two signs, the multiplication and the addition signs, to actually work here. But you call it the multiplication law. So here we go. If I say 2 raised to the power of 2 times 2 raised to the power of 3, what do I mean? Now those 2 raised to the power 2, I have 2 as the base and I have 2 as the power. Now multiplying that by 2 raised to the power 3, I have 2 as the base and 3 as the power. Now if you check, we have the same bases here. We have 2 base, we have 2 base. So you have just multiplication sign as the sign that is relating these two bases together. But the powers of these bases are different. 2 raised to the power 2 and 2 raised to the power 3. So what do you do to expand this? You're going to get 2 times 2 as 2 raised to the power 2. You know that already from your powers. 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. So to expand this, it simply means you are going to multiply 2 3 times. So if we had to check this perfectly, 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 times 2. 2 raised to the power 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2. So it means if I'm to open everything up, remove all the brackets, I'm going to get 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 in 5 places. So it means I'm going to get 32 as my answer, or 2 raised to the power 5 as my answer. Okay, put that aside. Now let's go straight to this. Note the powers. If it's 2 times 2 raised to the power 2 times 2 raised to the power 3, note the powers 2 and 3. So instead of you to expand, since you are having a multiplication sign binding these two different expressions in this mathematical statement, what you just need to do is to add the powers. So you now say 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3. Now 2 raised to the power of 2 plus 3, as you can see now on your screen, will give you 2 raised to the power of 5. Here we go with our multiplication law. So if you find two similar bases in indices and you're multiplying and you have powers, add the powers as far as it's a multiplication sign that is binding them together in terms of relating them. Add the powers. When you add the powers, you get something that is gonna be so wonderful, like what you've just seen. 2 raised to the power of 5. That is perfect. By expansion, we got 2 raised to the power of 5, which is 32. And now, by applying the law of multiplication, we've now gotten 2 raised to the power of 5, which is still what? 32. There you go with the law of multiplication of indices. I hope you understood this perfectly. All right? So thank you so much. Can you just make some kind of examples of your own in the comment section below?